Fall is a magical time. The air turns crisp, and there's a certain charm that fills the atmosphere. The days grow shorter, and the nights become cooler, inviting us to cozy up and enjoy the season's beauty. It's a time for transformation, not just in nature, but also in our daily routines and personal styles. Leaves transform into vibrant hues of red, orange, and yellow, painting the landscape with a breathtaking palette. This natural spectacle inspires us to bring those same colors into our makeup routines, creating looks that reflect the season's splendor. It's a season that begs for cozy sweaters and warm drinks. Imagine wrapping yourself in a soft, oversized sweater while sipping on a steaming cup of hot cocoa. The warmth and comfort of these moments are what make fall so special, and they can be mirrored in our makeup choices as well. And what better way to embrace the spirit of fall than with our makeup? By incorporating the rich, warm tones of autumn into our beauty routines, we can celebrate the season in a unique and personal way. I love experimenting with makeup looks inspired by the beautiful colors of autumn. From deep burgundy lips to golden eyeshadows, the possibilities are endless. Each look can be a reflection of the vibrant and dynamic changes happening all around us. Warm oranges, deep reds, and shimmering golds reflect the season's natural beauty. These colors not only enhance our features, but also evoke the cozy and inviting essence of fall. They remind us of the leaves crunching underfoot and the golden sunsets that mark the end of a crisp day. These shades bring warmth to any complexion and create a stunning contrast against the cool, crisp air. They add a touch of elegance and sophistication to our looks, making us feel confident and radiant as we step out into the autumn breeze. Whether you're a seasoned makeup pro or just starting, join me as we create a stunning fall-inspired look. Together, we'll explore different techniques and products that capture the essence of the season. From subtle daytime looks to bold evening styles, there's something for everyone. This tutorial is all about embracing warmth, enhancing your natural beauty, and having fun with makeup. Let's get started and dive into the world of fall-inspired beauty. With each brushstroke and color choice, we'll celebrate the magic of autumn and create looks that are as enchanting as the season itself. Before we dive into our colorful palette, let's talk about skin prep. This step is crucial and often overlooked, but it can make a world of difference in how your makeup looks and lasts throughout the day. Think of it as laying the foundation for a masterpiece. Just like a painter prepares their canvas, we need to prep our skin for a flawless makeup application. Imagine trying to paint on a rough, uneven surface. The result wouldn't be as smooth or vibrant. The same principle applies to your skin. The key is hydration. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes any dirt, oil, or impurities that could interfere with your makeup. A clean canvas is essential for the best results. Follow this up with a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin supple and hydrated. Moisturizing not only nourishes your skin, but also creates a smooth base for your makeup to adhere to. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. Now for the secret weapon, primer. Primer acts as a barrier between your skin and makeup, ensuring that your makeup stays put. It can also address specific skin concerns like redness or large pores. A hydrating primer creates a smooth surface for your makeup. It fills in fine lines and pores, giving you a flawless finish. Plus, it helps your makeup glide on more easily and stay in place longer. It also helps your makeup last longer, preventing it from sliding around or settling into fine lines. This is especially important if you have a long day ahead or a special event where you need your makeup to stay perfect. I like to apply primer with my fingertips, gently massaging it into my skin. This not only ensures even application, but also stimulates blood flow, giving your skin a healthy glow. Take your time with this step. It's worth it for the beautiful results you'll achieve. With our skin prepped, it's time to create a flawless base. This is the foundation of any great makeup look, and it all starts with the right products and techniques. We'll be using foundation and concealer to even out skin tone and cover any imperfections. These two products work hand in hand to give you a smooth, even canvas to work with. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. This step is crucial because the wrong shade can make your makeup look unnatural. I prefer a medium coverage foundation for a natural finish. It provides enough coverage to hide imperfections while still letting your skin breathe. Use a brush, sponge, or your fingers to apply the foundation evenly on your face and blend it down to your neck. Each method has its own benefits. Brushes can give you a more polished look, sponges can help with a more natural finish, and using your fingers can warm up the product for better blending. Concealer is your best friend for hiding any blemishes or dark circles. It's like a magic wand that can make imperfections disappear. Pick a concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. This will help brighten up areas like under your eyes and give you a more awake appearance. Apply it under your eyes, around your nose, and on any blemishes. These are the areas that typically need the most coverage. Gently blend it out with a damp sponge for a seamless finish. The damp sponge helps to melt the product into your skin, making it look more natural and less cakey. And there you have it, a flawless base ready for the rest of your makeup. Our eyebrows frame our eyes and play a crucial role in our overall look. For this fall makeup look, we'll define our brows naturally without going overboard. I prefer using a brow pencil for this step. Choose a shade that matches your natural brow color. Lightly fill in any sparse areas using short, hair-like strokes. Next, use a spoolie brush to comb through your brows. This helps to blend the product and soften any harsh lines. Remember, the goal is to achieve naturally defined brows that complement your eyes. Section 5. Painting with autumn hues. Now for the fun part, eyeshadow. We'll be using a mix of brown and rusty orange shades to create a warm, inviting look. Start by applying a light brown shade all over your eyelid. This acts as a transition shade and creates a smooth base for the other colors. Use a fluffy blending brush to diffuse the color evenly. Next, take a rusty orange eyeshadow and apply it to the crease of your eyelid. Use a windshield wiper motion to blend the color upwards towards your brow bone. This adds depth and dimension to your eyes. Section 6. A touch of sparkle. To add a touch of magic to our fall eye look, we'll be using a shimmery eyeshadow. Gold or champagne shades work beautifully for this. Using your finger or a small brush, apply the shimmery eyeshadow to the center of your eyelid. You can also apply a small amount to the inner corners of your eyes to brighten them up. Remember, a little goes a long way with shimmer. You want to add a subtle sparkle, not overpower the other eyeshadow shades. Section 7. Defining your gaze. Eyeliner and mascara are essential for adding definition to our eyes and completing the fall makeup look. For this look, I recommend using a brown or black eyeliner. Apply it along your upper lash line, keeping the line thin and precise. You can extend the line slightly outwards to create a subtle wing. Next, curl your lashes and apply a volumizing mascara to both your upper and lower lashes. This will open up your eyes and make them appear bigger and brighter. Section 8. Warmth and glow. Now that our eyes are ready, let's add warmth and glow to our complexion. Blush and highlighter are our secret weapons for achieving a radiant finish. Choose a warm-toned blush, such as peach or coral. Smile gently to find the apples of your cheeks and apply the blush in circular motions. Blend it upwards towards your temples for a natural flush. Next, apply a golden highlighter to the high points of your face. This includes your cheekbones, brow bone, down the bridge of your nose, and on your Cupid's bow. Highlighter adds a beautiful glow and enhances your features. Section 9. The final touch. The final touch for our fall makeup look is a bold lip. Deep red lipsticks are synonymous with fall and add a touch of drama and sophistication. Choose a shade of red that complements your skin tone. Apply the lipstick carefully, starting from the center of your lips and working your way outwards. For a long-lasting finish, blot your lips with a tissue and apply a second coat of lipstick. And there you have it, a stunning fall makeup look that is sure to turn heads.